So we got crabs from Kortalim. So these are the big ones. So these are 600 per kg or 700 per kg. And you're 600?
You 550 kg.
And these are 550 kg. So these ones. So welcome back to another fresh video. So the plan for today is to cook crabs. It is quite hot. I think it's because like 2 days it did not rain and the heat is too much. So we are thinking of putting it in the micro only, like last time we put the fish. So this time we are thinking of putting one whole crab. So we'll see how it goes. We are trying it for the first time. We'll have to check the microwave settings also online only. Yeah, so we'll just prepare the masala and I'll show you all how. So we are done cleaning the crabs. Meaning I did not do, Justin already did most of the work. And all these crabs are female and they have this orange. In Konkani we call it lak, I don't know what we call it in English. But they are full of meat. So even when we go to buy crabs, they tell us there and there leaf like they are hollow from inside or they are full of meat. Because they come to know when they are weighing it. So these ones are like really good. And we'll see what we are doing with those ones which we have to put in the micro. So I'll just show you the size of this. How big it is. So this is the size of the crab, almost up to my hand. So this one is a male. So our masala is ready now. We were just checking if we can actually cook crabs in the micro. So we have to just open it and put it. We cannot just put it as it is because the water inside will get boiled and then the entire crab will explode. We just saw the videos and we were scared. So yeah, we got the settings on how we should be doing it. I'll show it to you also by the end of the video. Or by when we put it inside, I'll show you how and on what degrees we have to keep it on. So our masala for gravy is ready and it's finally time for the crabs to go in. So we just saw a video on how we should be killing a crab, that is humanly.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So it seems that we should take this flap up and then there is something called as a nerve center over here. So we just have to poke it over there. And we should wait for the blood to flow out itself. So we'll give it some time to rest peacefully. We also did not know, we just saw a video and we came to know. Let's see if that trick works. So it is working. The crab is almost dead. So I think this black thing that's flowing out is the blood. So we'll just take a look at this. Okay, so it's not yet done. We have managed to open this. So we have stuffed the masala here and here. So I think we'll be closing this on it. And there are around 7 more minutes for the micro to preheat. So I was just checking what is the difference between convection and grill. The internet is not working, but I'll check because we don't want the crab to go all over the place. So there are modes of convection plus grill, and there is convection, grill, turn plus micro. So I'm not sure what this is. So I'll just go to the menu of it and I'll check what's it. So I just saw the video on how we can cook it in the micro. So micro is just it sends waves to the food and everything gets cooked. The grill is that these heaters which are up, they'll just the coil which is up, it will just get heated and it will evenly cook. But the convection is that the grills, the coil will also get heated up and it will use a fan. So the fan will blow up all the heat on the thing that you are cooking. So the mode that which we have to use is convection. And turn is, if you look at it closely at the side, it has this option wherein we can put the skewers. So if we just put it over there, it will just keep on rotating by itself. So yeah, we'll be using it in convection mode. So our crab gravy is ready. So here it is. And yes, the microwave is also preheated now. I will just put the plate in. So it's time to put this in. So we'll put it. I'll keep the temperature a bit low. So the preheat was at 200 degrees. So yeah. So all we have to do is we have to go to convection. So here you get the this thing degrees at which it is going to hit. So I'll keep 150 and maybe 5 minutes initially, and we'll check, or 4 minutes, and we'll check how it is. Yes. So here it goes. So 4 minute this thing is done. Yeah, so looks like it will get done. If you see, like most of it is already turning red. So we'll keep it at 150 again, or maybe 180. Yeah, 180, and we'll keep another 5 minutes. So yeah, we'll since we are cooking for the first time, we'll just monitor it every now and then, because we just saw videos of everything going up, but we have opened it, so we don't think that something like that will happen. But anyways, we'll just keep on monitoring it. So it's done now. We'll just check it once if it's really cooked. The gloves are not. So it has turned orange, but with the juice just down, we are not sure if it is done. Maybe this is the oil that's come down, but the actual masala and all is here. So we'll check once if it is done, or else we'll put a small crack to the this also close, and we'll put it back again. So we just checked. It is just it has just turned the color on the outside, but inside it's fully raw. So we are putting it like this only now. Okay. So we have kept it at 100 degrees, and it's done. So more of the juices come down. Yeah, it should be done now. Yeah. So yeah, it's done. So my vlog is going on here today. I got this one claim for me. It's good that we did not break it from inside. The flavor is still inside of it. It has turned out pretty good. So it's time for round 2. These are the gravy ones. So they have already started eating.
2,000 years later.
Yes, so we had the crepes and I'm home now. So yeah, the time is around 1 o'clock. And yes, it was that much for today's video. I hope you all have liked the video. If you all have liked it, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. I'm pretty sure you all have already subscribed. If not, please just tap on the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Yes, so till then, see you all in the next video. Bye.